Presentation was awesome, and I really like when efforts are made to correct misstatements, misinformation, and absolute lies. So for Jamaicans to have a greater appreciation that fiscal space means having the ability with less and less debt to pay, and we have more money to invest in us as Jamaican people, in our education, in our health, in our security forces, so much more in our...
I wonder if it is an election budget. It is geared to be a giveaway budget, and so I guess we need to be gearing up for an election. Many people are going to have a difficulty, especially with those civil servants who really and truly have to be paying helpers and paying other people to caregivers to help them with their children. They did not receive anything substantial, $75 more a day, and they're going to have to be paying increased minimum wage. I'm happy for the minimum wage earners, but I can see where the imbalance in the equity in the society will continue.
The Minister, in his budget speech, covered a wide range of programs and activities to benefit the people of Jamaica in a very positive way. Shows that good governance and good management will always result in our capabilities to make a difference. And being a government representing the people will definitely benefit from these programs.
You know, there were some good things in it, but I am kind of tired of leaders like the Prime Minister taking Jamaicans for idiots and believing that they don't understand exactly what is happening.
I think the Prime Minister did a good job because persons need to know. The problem with the government, people are not told what is happening, so persons don't know. Our communication is poor, but the Prime Minister laid it on the table this evening, and everybody understand that they are at the front and center, not at the back. And Jamaicans, we are no fool, so nobody can fool us. You see, the gentleman, he ran before the Prime Minister finished speaking because he knows what was coming down the rear. And you hear what about the minimum wage earner? Who can complain and who can cry?
What he displayed is a level of understanding of the people of Jamaica and the needs of Jamaicans. And he has laid out a comprehensive and substantive set of projects that, in my view, represent a government that's focused and moving from vision to reality.